Hey there, Mike from the Beaten Trail. Figured we'd give you an update. It's been a while since we've talked about the Honda. We will start with when I bought it. We first went to fight the blight at AOAA. We rode about 50 miles in high gear, and then low gear suddenly would not stay in gear and did some grinding. So we called up Roundhouse, and unfortunately they said they couldn't do anything for us for 4 weeks. Now, I wasn't too happy about that because I just bought the unit there from them and they wouldn't take it back for 4 weeks. So it wound up, I drove it in high for a little bit, and then I found a dealer that was further out in Honeybrook, Pennsylvania, and they were able to take the Honda in. Low gear had been damaged. I only had it for 50 miles, and I know Honda have issues with their, if you don't wait till it's in gear and the indicator comes on, you can damage it. But I've had Hondas before. Just the first time we used low, it just wouldn't go in and stay in. So we dropped it off there, and just with the pandemic and COVID and everything, they had somebody was sick, and then the mechanic was gone, and I called Honda and I complained about it because really a brand new unit shouldn't have these issues. It was less than 100 miles when I had it. Currently, it is with the dealer, and Honda has been checking in with them and with me every 3 days to let me know that parts are there and they're replacing it, and it is covered under warranty. So Honda's going to be covering that under warranty. Thankfully, I didn't sell the trail yet because I've been riding the trail. So that has been my good luck, if you want to call it that, but I have no luck. So that's why we're having these kind of issues. Either way, that's the update. We are hopefully going to receive the Honda this week and be able to ride it some more. I still have a skid plate to install and mud plates, mud fenders. And then we'll have some more videos. Until then, we've been riding the trail, and we've done a couple events. We did Minersville. We're here at the Dirty Santa today just to meet up with friends, take some drone shots, and do some video for them, meet some people. But that's it. That's been the whole update, and I apologize for not doing it sooner. It's been like 8 weeks in the Honda dealer. They've had the worst luck in the world. I don't want to poo-poo and badmouth any dealer, but know your dealer. Make sure they got a good tech. Make sure that, how can you not know when the tech's going to get sick or is going to get fired or quit? You can't know these things. And it just seems that in the pandemic, all this crap is happening. Some of you are waiting for parts for weeks and months and forever. New units are taking forever, so hopefully that gets resolved at some point in the future. But most of us are riding. We just finished Thanksgiving, so I'm thankful for having something to ride, even though if I'll have 2 units. So I will be selling the Trail. It has about 1,800 miles on it. It's a 2020 Fox Edition Polaris Rzr Trail, 50-inch. She's got Tusk Terabite tires on her and fenders, so she's probably 54, 55-inch, just in case you're looking for a unit. And it's a little too wide for you. We just redid the rear lower bushings. She's got a brand new front differential. We're going to put a new belt on her just because we've been driving the same belt for a long time, and even though there's nothing wrong with it, we'll put a new belt on. So that'll be done this week. And that's it. So that's a quick update, but we hope sometime that you'll be able to join us. We're doing some group rides. So if you're in the Pennsylvania area, do that. We are planning to go to Carolina Adventure World in Durham Town sometime after Christmas. But more details will be posted and we'll follow. We'll post some up there in case you want to join us or you live in that area. And then in the spring, we're really trying to get out to some of the other connector trails, as well as Pennsylvania and down into Florida. So stay tuned, and we'll see you out there on the trail.